What's up, my beautiful people? It's your girl. So a lot of people, when I first start working with them, they tell me, they're like, Sam, I need someone that's gonna yell at me. I need someone that's gonna curse me out if I don't get to the gym. I need someone that's gonna push me. I need someone that's gonna make me bleed, right? Practically. But here's the thing. People have this huge misconceptions when it comes to body transformation experts. We're not here to curse you out. I don't have to curse you out. You know why? Because you're going to get progress. Progress is what gives you motivation to continue. All right? If you're working with someone currently and you're not seeing any progress, then guess what? That person could curse you out in a storm. That person could call you right now for 2 hours straight. He's going to curse you the hell out, telling you how you are just lazy, right? Because you're not getting any progress. How are you going to feel motivated to go to the gym if you look the same? Now, there is pushing involved, right? We are going to motivate you. We are going to push you. We are going to tell you to take your body to that extra other level that's going to, make you progress. We're going to tell you to give us that extra other rep that is, it's already burning. But we're going to do it in a fashion where you yourself are going to be receptive to it, right? You're going to want to keep pushing. You're going to want to remain persistent and remain consistent in the training and the healthy eating habits and following the meal plan, because you are seeing progress and you're so proud of your progress that you just don't want to stop. All right, guys. So if you have someone there that's just standing there yelling at you, cursing you out, degrading you, making you feel worse than you already do, and not showing you any progress, that's not the person for you. I have girls that tell me, they're like, Sam, I went out with my friends today and, they ordered all these things and I just felt like you were there watching me. I felt like you were there watching me and I just couldn't let myself down. I couldn't let you down, and therefore that's why they didn't cheat. So it's not about cursing you out. It's not about degrading you. It's about having someone that wants the best for you. And trust me, you're going to feel it in your heart. You're going to feel it in your mind. And you're just going to remain focused because you don't want to let yourself down and you don't want to let that person down.